Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Chill with Jazz, and we have a special guest, Libbie, my friend, and she's from my school, and I just wanted to bring her into one of my videos. So Libbie, what are we going to be opening up today?
We're going to be opening up an O.M.G surprise Royal Bee.
Are you ready to go digging into it and find surprises? Okay, would you like to cut it open? Thank you. Oh, you have to cut that too. There you go. And now we are going to, Libbie, you are going to be taking this and slide it.
Slide it?
And then, I forgot. Oh yes, and then you have surprises to open. Let's start opening. So we're going to take our unboxing fashion out. Let's move that to the side. You can be able to open, well, you can open this up. And I'll open this one up. Yeah. So you're just going to take that right there. And
take it off?
Yeah.
Do you rip it?
You just open it. OMG, look at this cute jacket that she has. What type of pants does she have? That's so cute. We'll bring this to the side and let's get her little. Now, here's a little newspaper about her. So you have to fold it, and now it looks like that. Oh, these are, let's open it. Here you go. Those are her shoes. Let's open this up. They all have sizes. I got all her jewelry. She has these cute glasses. And this wonderful golden belt with this bracelet.
She has these golden and black shoes.
And these golden earrings. Okay? And you can put them back in and let's move them to the side. Now it's time to get into the doll. Open this up, and we need the scissors for this part to cut these little wires. I'm so excited to see how her hair feels because it looks really poofy. Her feet, yes. We have well,
back here.
And then, this one's a bit harder. There we go. We got her. Now,
Her is poofy.
her hair feels really weird. I love her socks. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I really don't know what's in here. So let's check it out. Her purse! Whoa!
Very shiny.
Okay, and now we have our stand for her.
With instructions how to set her up with in it.
And she has a golden brush. So how you set it up is you put this part in it and voila. And then there's something back here if I can grab it. And we just slide it over. So how about we just
sit on it?
yeah. she'll sit on it. And if you take that off, she'll be able. But after we get her clothes on. So do you like to put her pants on?
Yes.
Okay, her shoes all ready for you to put on. Now, I've all noticed since my last doll I opened just like this, they all have 6.5. Now, I think that's pretty cool, but kind of weird that they all have the same type of shoe size, but they all can switch out with shoes.
Yeah, so if you have lots of these kind of dolls, you can just switch their shoes and their outfits.
Yep. Got it on?
You know, it just needs a thing.
There you go.
There we go.
Now let's put on her jacket. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys her golden nails.
I didn't realize she had golden nails.
Yeah. Each doll has a different type of colored nails that look like that. Would you like to put on her jacket for a try?
Cute little pokey jacket. Her hand is stuck.
Oh, I have an idea. I've done this with my last doll, so you can take off her hands and it'll be much more easier.
Oh.
To put on her jacket. And you're able to put them back on. I know it kind of looks freaky. I got her jewelry out. And then after we can put her nails back on. I'll put this hand in. Go ahead and grab the other one. Their arms are much more smaller without their hands. There we go.
I almost dropped her hand.
And then let's put her shoes on, which will make you be able to see her shoes. Now these socks are actually really hard to put on the shoes with. But she looks like she's ready to party. So I think this is about to her. So let's see. Put it on. There we go. Now this is her bracelet, so we put it on her jacket, I think. It's looking kind of weird. And then put on her glasses.
Brush her hair. Oh, don't forget her purse.
Yep, and then we need to put it in her earrings. I don't know if she's ready to party or shop, but she wants to do both, I think. Here, you can put in the other one. Oh, wrong way. And now that's the final end of her. Yeah, her hair is pretty hard to brush since she has poofy hair. Oh. And then we take this off and watch this. So let's put on her jacket and over it. I've done, this is actually much more harder than I thought. Oh, yes, and her purse. And voila. That's what Roybal Bee looks like. Do you guys love her? I like her. How about you?
I love her. Very much glimmer.
Yes, she has tons. I think her favorite color is black and gold. So here is the end result of Roybal Bee. Top from bottom, and I guess here to bottom. And if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, turn those notifications on if they are off, and click that like button, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!